What's up, YouTube? Top Tactic Fishing here. Welcome to another episode. We are here in Wilmington, Delaware on the Brandywine Creek, and we are doing a carp episode today. And the purpose of today's video is that we're going to be doing a comparison of using PVA bags versus the method feeder. Before I dive into this video, I just want to say that this video is not meant to say that one is better than the other. They're both highly effective ways to catch carp. This is more just for fun, just to see if one does catch more than the other today for today's purpose. All right, rod number one is going to have the method feeder, 3 pieces of pineapple ice cream corn, all in your bait products we're using today, of course. So the second rod is also going to have a method feeder on there. I figured the two St. Croix rods, just to tell the difference right now, I'm going to have them both have the method feeders, and then my Fox Warrior will have the PVA bag. This one's going to have the Juicy Pear boilie. Here's rod number 2. Okay, for this last rod, we're going to have the PVA bag, and this is going to have the banana nut, tiger nut popped up on a single piece of fake corn. And I am keeping the method feeder on there, using it as weight to keep the bait on the bottom. But I have it on there in case we need to switch it to the method feeder later on in the session. And with this, there's a variety of ways to hook it. You can hook it through the inline there, or you can just put it right through the bag, essentially, which is what I'm going to do. Just kind of hook it right on the end here. All right. Just like that. PVA bag is out. All right, guys, all the rods are out. Like I said, these first two with the cork handles have the method feeder on there. And the last one here has the PVA bag. 3 rods. Hopefully that we can get some carp. Low tide right now. Tide's going out, so hopefully this won't affect things too much, especially with this storm or rain we're going to be having here. We're going to give it some time, so stay tuned.
Okay, I gotta call you back.
Oh yeah, fish on. This is trying to bring him over here. Moving slowly. I just hope it's not tangled on my other line. We're live, we're live. Okay. Feels decent. The carp are starting to become more active. It's a carp though. And this is just moving me all over the place. There we go. Come on. Decent fish here. Of course, it's been a while since I've caught a decent carp anyway, so. There he goes again. Another little run. I just want to see this one is just honker down. Just honker down. Yep, nice carp in the teens. Typical size you catch around here. We're gonna have to wash this baby off big time in here. Decent carp. Ooh, he's probably upper teens too. Scooping these fish up in here. We got him now. Now we're gonna have to back up here. All right, guys, we're gonna release this fish. 19 pounds. Nice fish. One of the bigger ones I've caught in a while. See, you can get this fish a little bit of resuscitation here because it's really shallow here. Let this fish just kind of sit there. It's really shallow, so it's just laying here. And there he goes. Come on, try to find that deep water, buddy. 10 feet in front of me, it's still really shallow. I mean, it's just, when you walk, you just sink. So, there goes that carp. It's in debris right now, I can tell, I can feel it. So I'm just loosening the drag a little bit. There we go. See if I can get him out. This is on the method feeder now. Hope he's out. Where are you going, buddy? a little run. It's hard to say how big this one is. I'm guessing it's a little bit bigger, maybe not than the first one, but it's, I think it's cod on something. Yeah, I think it's cod. Shoot. Oh, broke off. That fish was caught in debris. That was on the method feeder though. Dang it. That stinks. I could tell, right? Maybe like 15 yards in front of me. It was caught on something. There was a carp though, that's for sure. It was a carp. Let's see. I think this might be a cat. Hard to say though. A lot of debris out there. Actually, this could be a carp. I think this is a carp. The way it's moving all the way over here. He's going back this way. No. Yeah, this is a carp. I think this is a smaller one, but the way this is fighting me. Yeah, it's a carp though. Smaller one, but I'll take it. The way the action has been today. Oh, this is a very small one. Nice fish though, still. Tell you what, sometimes the smaller ones fight even better. Look at that one. This was also on the PVA bag. Second carp on the PVA bag. Okay. Beautiful fish. We're gonna go ahead and release this one. This carp also fell victim to the tiger nut popped up to the single piece of fake maize. So both carp, this is probably going about 7 pounds. No weight on this one, but the first one was 19, this is 7. Both to the same bait. Just shows you how effective that bait has been for me this year. Come on, there you go. There you go, buddy. All right, guys, it's slowed down a little bit. I mean, the tide is coming in, but the bite has definitely slowed. While we're waiting for a carp bite, I might as well show you some stuff that I've been buying to kind of help improve my arsenal gear, I guess. So these rod butts, I'm not sure if you can see them or not, but it says UCC on there, Urban Carp Collective. I have 3 for bish, bash. You can see the bish, the bash, and then the bosh. Okay, these are rod butt rests essentially. So not rest, but rod butt protectors. What it does is that it can help protect the end of your rod butts, especially if they're on cement or whatnot. And as you can see, one of the cork handles is actually kind of chipped there. This was before I got these rod butt protectors. So Urban Carp Collective sells them. Go ahead and give them a follow and a like. They're on Facebook, they're on Instagram. I'll leave a description in my description box below here. So it's pretty neat to have that to protect your rod butts. They also have a good apparel line. This is the hat that I wear. You've probably seen in my pictures and in my videos. So it's really nice apparel. It's nice to kind of spice up your apparel if you're fishing for carp with the Urban Carp Collective. They have a variety of hats, stickers, shirts. All right, guys, we're gonna call it quits for the day. Bite really slowed down in the afternoon. So we caught a total of 2 carp. We had 1 break off on a snag. Biggest carp was 19 pounds. It's a nice size. Then we caught another one that was about 7 pounds, both to the PVA bag. So as you can see, PVA bag's really good, is really effective, and you know the method feeder is also really good. This was just more of a little fun experiment that we were doing, just to see, just comparing the method feeder versus the PVA. Like I said before, neither is better than the other in my opinion. They're both very effective. This was just more for fun, not to prove that one is better than the other. So I appreciate you watching this video. I hope you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't. If you're new to this channel, I do a lot of carp videos, also do some catfish as well. So I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time on Top Tactic Fishing.